Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 86 of our 100-day price action challenge and we have started the market with a very weak note. It's been almost 3 days since we have made our last video and market has been taking the holidays. There has been very drastic negative news all over the globe and almost all the indices have been melting yesterday and today. Even in fact, this is a little bit surprised. In the morning, Nifty was actually strong. It was holding up. There was not much of a gap down. It was really holding up. In fact, it was moving up almost to the neutral. But then again, the selling took over. You can see here, right? Clearly today, Nifty is almost the dragger. It is down 1.5%, whereas look at micro cap, it is in green. Let's see what's happening here. Especially on the Nifty chart, we can see here, right? This is inverse head and shoulder forming on the Nifty as of now. This is where the left shoulder is formed. This is where the head has formed. Now, almost if it recovers now, that would be a right hand shoulder. And again, probably it is taking, this is the convergence of 21-day and 50 EMA. So I'm most likely Nifty should ideally take support at this 23,000 level and slowly move up. But again, tomorrow is one of the big days, April 2nd, the Trump day, we can call it. So let's just not take any positions. Coming to Nifty Junior, it is again tightly consolidating very well as of now, holding these crucial moving averages. Same with Nifty 100, but mid cap select index is down 1 point and mid cap is also below. So that's not really a good scenario. Let's really hope that this is not another new low and new lower high, because this is the previous high and it has failed to reach that level. Now, the real question is, would the market make a new low here? If it makes a new low, again, our portfolios would be bleeding. Let's really hope that that scenario doesn't happen in the market. As of now, even both micro cap as well as small cap doesn't look that strong here. Many breakouts were failing on the last Friday. I have been seeing few stocks here. Even total Nifty, because of large cap today, even Nifty 500 and Nifty total got a little bit disrupted. On the other hand, look at gold. It is the non-stop up 4% in last 4 sessions or 6 sessions. That's a very strong move. Even silver is also doing really well. Coming to the sectoral charts, today there is some profit booking taken on the private banks, because we have been seeing HDFC, ICICI, and Kotak has been moving very strong for the last few sessions, right? Hence, the private bank index is down 1.2, whereas PSU Bank, I'm again surprised here. See, I don't see much of strength on PSU banking, but they are trying to show some strength here. It is only down 0.4% today. IT again down 2.5%. That's because Nasdaq and S&P 500 are really not good, in a good shape. Auto index taken a flat position. Again, reality. I've told you, right? Please don't get. See, this 6 days. Reality was up 11.5%. I have already mentioned that I don't trust the reality rally because it has been very choppy lately. See, this was the sharp recovery, and look at here. It only took 4 to 6 sessions to give back the entire gain. So the same thing almost happened here. It gave back. It is down 8% again in the last 4 sessions. See, that's how volatile reality is. Please don't touch reality stocks. Even pharma is looking very weak. Looks like the US effect is going to impact the pharma sector. Infrastructure too. It was a good chart till here, but again today it was a very close. Weak closing. FMCG is also tightly consolidating sideways. Telecom is up 2%. There is some big news of Vodafone Idea. Probably that's why the index is up 2%. Healthcare again very weak. So let's see what has actually changed the story of the Nifty today. Look at these. These are the heavyweights. The top five heavyweights. Look at here. Reliance down 2%, TCS 1.5%, HDFC 3%, ICICI 2.5, and Infosys 3%. Even Bajaj Finance 3%, HCLTECH 4%. So looks like all the heavyweight large caps have seen profit booking today, or probably some huge selling happened here. Reliance not looking good again. See, this was a constructive base forming here, slight pivot, but again now it is very weak. TCS not looking good. HDFC Bank, I'm a little bit surprised here. This was one of the strongest name. I thought it should ideally hold up at least this 1800 level, but again today's closing was very weak closing. Let's really hope that it settles down here. It doesn't correct much because whatever the strength we have seen on the Nifty for the last few sessions, it was primarily because of HDFC Bank because it's almost 13% weight in Nifty 50. Airtel, on the other hand, tried to break out above this level 1750. In fact, I've taken a slight position and again closed the position by the end of the day because the closing was very weak. I don't want to stay in such market today. But it was again another attempt. So probably as of now, Airtel is still strong, but again, it might need a good market condition. No matter how good the stock is, if the entire market is not supportive enough, it doesn't make sense. ICICI again has reversed today. I thought this would respect this 1330 level, but looks like it couldn't respect. Infosys down huge. You can see here, right? Infosys again. It's a gap down. It's a gap down and a huge selling. Not at all good for the stock. State Bank of India really holding up this level. Hindustan Unilever not good. Bajaj Finance too. I did not expect this Bajaj from Bajaj Finance. It is one of the strongest names. So let's really hope that it takes support here and probably at a moving average pullback happens here again. ITC not doing great. LIC still going sideways. HCLTECH another very weak name down 4%. That's because IT is not at all looking good. Please don't touch IT now. If you are doing IT, please do the short positions, not long positions. L&T consolidating. Maruti not looking good. Broke down below this level and even closing was also at this level. Look at Kotak. I wanted this reaction to be happened on HDFC, but instead HDFC had another reaction. This is how the strong names, the strong names should behave like in such market. These would be the next new leaders. Sun Pharma not looking good. Even the volumes are very high today in Sun Pharma. Almost 100% jump in volumes and down 2%. Not at all good. M&M hanging at the support. Ultratech Cement going sideways as of now. Axis Bank to try to close above this level. I was little bit happy, but looks like again it went below this level. So the market condition is again deteriorating on the large cap side. NTBC again not good, weak closing. Wipro decent one, only not much of an action happened today. Bajaj Finserv gave back almost these 2 days gains. Not good as of now. ONGC try to move up. There is some buying pressure that's clearly visible on the chart, but the market condition is not supporting. Titan, as usual, it is one of the very weak names. We know that why Titan does that. Today, you can see here on the Titan, it almost closed at its 52-week low. It made a new 52-week low today. Adani Enterprises, I like how this is consolidating. It looks like Adani stocks are trying to form a bottom here. Tata Motors not doing well. This was the gap you can see here, right? This is the big gap. Another gap down. I think we can do this. This was the gap. We can draw this. So let me just change this color so that last time probably yes. You can see here, right? Another color here. Power grid going sideways. Bajaj Auto good recovery. JSW still one of my most favorite charts. Look at here how beautiful the chart is. Tightly consolidating, not reacting to the market. I love this chart. I really wish that I have this chart in my portfolio. Let me see if it consolidates further more and give an entry. I would definitely take because it looks very beautiful. I like this chart. Adani Port have put an alert here so that the recovery or the bottom formation is confirmed here. DMart not good again went back below this level. Coal India still not at all. No bottom formation yet. Hindustan Aeronautical, there was a major news out there during this weekend that it has won a big order and it had a gap up opening, but again closed here. Zomato almost again tested this 200 level, not looking good. Nestle going sideways. Asian Paint sideways. Adani Power not interesting. Bharat Electronic took a reversal. Looks like there has been some profit booking. I think the selling is about to confirm. Probably the recent selling has been absorbed. Trent, on the other hand, gave a very different reaction today in the market. So that's interesting here. Simon sideways, Tata Steel not interesting. Indigo too now trying to form a consolidation here. Let's see for a few more sessions. I will see. Good attempt, needs some more time. DLF not looking good. Grasim, it is also decent chart, not that as a great chart as of now. Foreign beverages, sideways consolidation, IRFC, nothing interesting. Vedanta, below this 460 level, not good. The structure is little bit, has become weaker now. Tech Mahindra, very weak chart. DIVISLAB, again heading down. See, sideways trend, no trend. SBI Life holding up. That's interesting. So please add SBI Life into the watch list. I think it is forming decently here. LTM not good. Geo Finance consolidating. Hindustan Hindalco, okay, down 3%, not good. This used to be a stronger name, one of the first metal stocks to move up, but now looks like JSW Steel is my favorite. It is light sideways. Eicher Motor C opened up, went all the way to this level, but very sharp there. Very. From the top, it was down 4%. Not good. HDFC Life, on the other hand, is very strong. Very strong. It is slowly inching up. Looks like something is changing inside the HDFC Life. Adani Green sideways. Bajaj Holding got again major reversal 4.5%. See, that's the problem with Bajaj Holding. हमेशा यही होता है. PFC not doing well. Lodha beaten down. Cipla beaten down. Ambuja Cement trying for a reversal. It is going down again. Britannia still consolidating. Chola, oh, I think, see, this clearly tells you that something is wrong with the market, because this is one such stock which usually doesn't react very negatively. So, since it is moving down, it means that maybe the people who have entered very recently are feeling that maybe the market is not in a right position again. ABB sideways, Tata Power sideways, TVS Motor sideways, Godrej Consumer, nothing interesting here. Again, look at Sriram Finance, not good. See, look at this. This is a structure breakdown. I don't think the market is looking that interesting right now. Let's stay away from the market. But BPCL, the stock is little bit promising. Punjab National Bank didn't correct. That's a good thing. Bank of Baroda sideways. Gale, on the other hand, trying to move up. I think Gale is trying to form a bottom here, maybe for a reversal play. Let's wait for a few more sessions. I like the closing anyway. Torrent Pharma, nothing interesting. Sri Cement, one of my recently favorite stocks among the Nifty 100. I like how it is forming. Need little more pullback and a consolidation. That would be perfect for an entry. REC not good. Tata Consumer not good. United Spirits sideways. Havels is also going sideways. NAUKRI down 5.24%. See, that's the problem. That's the problem. See, it is again heading down. It is again heading down. Not good. Dr. Reddy is very choppy. Dabur down 2%. Whatever made it has tried. It only took 2 days to give back the entire earnings. Apollo Hospital consolidating. Zydus Life going sideways. Union Bank needs to close above this 130 level. Motherson Sumi not good. Jindal Steel, again, very tightly consolidating, but needs to close above this level. Only then we can take action. Lombard looking interesting here. iPro couldn't recover. HDFC Life is looking very strong. Then SBI Life is also looking decently well. JSW Energy, the structure is getting broken down here. Not good. INDUSIND sideways, up 5% although, but on the chart it still looks sideways. Needs to close above this 700 confidently with large volumes. Adani Energy Solution not looking well. Let me just take a moment here. Now, if it moves up, we can call this as a pullback buy. So let's wait and see here. Let's really expect that it doesn't break below this 840 level. If it does, again back to square one. Bosch sideways, Canara Bank sideways, Hero Motocorp sideways, NHPC again tightly consolidating, BHEL also tightly consolidating, Adani Total Gas not good, very weak chart. Even IRCT is nothing interesting. So tomorrow is the big day. So please try to stay away, because look at here, India VIX is up 8.3%. That's a massive spike for a single day. So looks like it is market is gearing up for the major event. I have only hardly one or two position in the stock. So again, they don't matter much. They are very little position size. So those are testing positions. So Currently, in such market conditions, I would wait for the entire noise to get clear, and only then I would ideally start my trading. So please try to fill the form in the description. That helps me what to plan next after this 100-day price action challenge. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.